Good morning. So it is what, day 3? Well, day 2. 2 full days of us being here. Full days. And I'm kind of exhausted. I ain't gonna lie. Had quite a bit to drink last night, but I am up and I'm ready. We are about to go on a sailing experience and we're gonna check out this drive-through volcano. So that should be very interesting. And we're also gonna go to a natural sulfur spring and do mud baths. So this should be interesting. Here is breakfast, and I have my soy milk right here. Pour that in. It's like granola, raisins, walnuts, pecans, all of that good stuff. I have my coffee right here, and then I have some seasoned potatoes, papaya, melon, honeydew, all of that good stuff. They have a lot more, but I'm good. I'm good with this. Alright, the crew is here and we're getting on that boat right over there.
The mistake. That's what we're going on. Oh, we're on the little one.
Good luck. I'm like, I'm not gonna get on that one. Good morning. Morning. Careful.
Welcome on board.
Thank you, thank you. Good morning. Oh wow. This is gonna be dope. This is gonna be dope.
This is stupid.
This is
gonna be amazing.
Yes. I'm looking forward. Oh, we're going. We're going.
Making moves. We're making moves. We're making moves.
We are no longer docked, and we are making our way. All right, so yeah, we're off already, and
we're recording.
Yeah, and neither of us can swim.
Yeah.
So, how do you feel? How do you feel?
I'm scared, but we have life jackets.
Yes.
We just gotta know how to tie it.
Yeah.
And we got each other.
Yes.
Actually, that's not a good idea. We shouldn't.
Oh
have
no. Other people have us. we're not having each other because that would, I don't know how that would go.
Yeah.
We'll have somebody else like situate us.
Yeah. So wish us luck.
Wish us luck. Yeah, we don't want this to end bad. But I'm excited. I don't feel too scared right now.
No.
I feel very comfortable.
Drinks in our system.
Oh yeah, that's gonna make it a lot easier. Yeah, we're good.
Gucci.
Driving the boat. Check it out. Crazy. This is crazy. I'm the king of the world. Life is wild. Wow. I appreciate this moment. It's a little bit cloudy right now. Slightly rainy, but not bad. We're still making it. Everybody just chilling over here. Check it out. Check it out. Look at those mountains.
Yeah. That makes sense. I mean, it's a perfect view. So.
We are approaching our stop right now.
It was named in French Soufouille. It means sulfur in the air or sulfur in the atmosphere. Yeah. It's considered to be the breadbasket of St. Lucia because most of our tourist attraction sites, you'll find them down here in Soufrière.
Okay.
That's right. You have the pitons, the mud baths, mineral baths, waterfalls, plantations, all down here. So we're headed to the mud bath.
Yes, sir.
That's why you have a guaranteed 10 years younger.
That's what they say.
I'm 63. Tall building. Straight ahead, that's the town's Catholic church. About 60% of our citizens, they're Roman Catholic. The other 40% is divided into about 7 other denominations. On the right, that's the town square, recently beautified. That's where the French, they hosted the guillotine in time of war.
Wow.
Yeah. But we don't practice that anymore.
Thankfully.
But that's actually the shortest one.
Wow.
Yeah. Rises 738 meters above the sea level. Takes you an hour and a half up. Could take you 5 minutes down, depends on how you do it. Yeah. For that one, you need the ropes and the hooks. So the tallest one is the one that's recommended for hiking. No lava, you just have some boiling pools boiling about 400 degrees hot. That's why it's the world's only drive-in volcano, because you drive right through it.
Alright. We are here. That's dope. Alright, we're about to go into the mud bath right now. We're gonna get all muddy and whatnot, and yeah, we'll see how we look after this. We're gonna look crazy. Oh, that is very warm. Oh.
We're supposed to open up our pores right now.
It actually feels really good.
That's so good.
That's nice.
So they say.
Alright. I have my camera, so I gotta be careful with this.
I know.
But,
We're doing it.
Yes. We outside. We outside with it. Yeah,
That's right.
we outside with it.
How you doing? It's comfy. I like it.
Yo, it feels nice. It feels nice. I'm afraid to put my hands down because then I'm gonna have to touch the camera again. But I'll go right there. Yeah. Yo, it feels so nice. It's very warm. I feel like I'm getting younger already. But it's incredible. It's like a little waterfall thing happening over here next to Brian.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm gonna come out of here a changed person for sure. A great experience. So that was the pool that we were in. And now we're actually going to get muddy. Yeah, right?
This is the white mud. You're gonna rub it on everywhere. Alright? Fully covered. If you want to get your face, you can do that too. Alright? So go ahead, you apply. You don't scoop it. You dip your hand in, shake off the excess, and you rub it on. Yeah? Everywhere you want to look 10 years young.
Okay.
Alright? So you go for it. When you're done, we're gonna do the black. Alright? So enjoy. Alright.
Feels nice.
Is it cold or warm?
It's like yeah, kind of a little on the cooler side.
Okay. Oh, he said don't scoop it?
No, he just said.
Okay. Alright, here we go.
Oh, guys doing it right.
There it is. Gotta watch out for the hair.
He's going full face.
That's right.
Going for it. You know, I gotta get the bags.
Ready?
Properly covered?
Yeah.
I don't want to see your real complexion after.
Alright, I got you.
So you just rub.
Am I good? Do I look younger yet? No. No.
Eyeball? Yeah. I don't want to eat your eye. Okay, got it.
How do I look? It feels nice going under there.
I am sweating.
Yeah. The next stop is the waterfall.
Hey guys.
How you doing? Thank you. Oh wow. It's cold? Is that cold?
It's cold,
So we're back on the boat after the mud bath and the waterfall. How you guys feeling? How you feeling? How you feeling?
Feeling young.
Yes.
New life is right.
This is amazing, amazing,
Moving out here.
amazing experience.
Thank you so much.
Chicken breast, fish, and some veggies.
What kind of sauce?
Hot sauce.
Oh, hot sauce. Oh, perfect. I don't know if you're ready.
Alright, it is lunchtime. We have some rice and peas right here. We have a little side salad and some grilled veggies. And then I also have a rum punch, which I did have earlier. So another one.
Yeah, man.
Gotcha, gotcha. I think I'll be alright, yeah.
Okay, I'll come.
There we go.
Yeah, because you have to
Oh, yeah, I don't know.
That's what I said.
Yeah. We are back. I unfortunately did lose my slides that I had. They went flying off of the boat, but it's all good. We are back. Yes. Alright, so I just got back in from an eventful day. Let me show you the happenings happening. But check out this view right now. This is so beautiful. Like, that's incredible. Like, you're definitely not getting this in New York City. Yeah. Alright, so here is the food that I ordered using room service. Unfortunately, there's not too many vegan options, but I hear that they're working on that, so hopefully they get that done soon. I do have a salad right there. I do have some fruits right here, and then I do have this veggie burger right here. This is listed as vegetarian rather than vegan, but I asked about it and it seems like it is vegan. Like, they said that it's vegan. I have my computer right in front of me because I'm getting some work done, and then there's a pool right behind me, which I've yet to get in, but I'm gonna do that maybe tomorrow. But let's try this burger real quick. Nah, it looks like straight up veggies. Tastes like a veggie patty, like an old school kind of veggie patty. there's, I think, beans that's holding it together, but I feel myself getting less hungry already, so I'm happy about that.